Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pineapple rum daiquiri. So big shout out to Katie for using the buy the back bar feature to purchase the Plantation Pineapple Rum. This stuff is incredible. Again, I snuck some off camera. The aromas of pineapple in this are really, really good. I don't think the pineapple flavor comes through as much in the rum itself. It is an amazing rum, but on the nose, that fresh pineapple that comes across is like, it's very impressive. So this here, it's not just a straight pineapple daiquiri, being rum, lime, and simple. This is from the tongue cut Sparrow in Houston. Slight variation. It kind of reminds me of a Hemingway daiquiri. It's got a little bit of maraschino liqueur in it, and then it's also served over crushed ice. If you wanted to, you could just serve this in a coupe glass, however you like it. If you are going to serve it on crushed ice, like I am today, you'll probably want to get a bigger coupe glass, something like this, which is a Libby Speakeasy, as opposed to the Libby Coupe, which is this smaller one. These are only about 168 ml, whereas these are probably closer to about 250. So it's going to have that space for the extra crushed ice. Otherwise, your volume is going to be too much. As soon as it starts diluting, it's just going to overflow. And before I get started, I get quite a few people ask why I actually use different styles of shaker. First of all, I own an online store selling cocktail shakers, so I have an abundance of them, so I like to just mix it up and vary it. Personally, I prefer to use the weighted tins because it is stainless steel. It gets down to temperature quicker, doesn't add as much dilution into the drink. I'll leave a bit of explanation in the description below. The reason I do use the Boston glass a lot of the time is because you can actually see the ingredients, which is probably better for you guys at home. They're all dirty at the moment. Had a function last night, so I haven't had a chance to clean them, hence why I'm using this one. Anyways, waffling again, let's get onto the drink. Pineapple rum daiquiri, starting off with 45 ml of Plantation Pineapple Rum. So 45 ml, 1.5 ounces. Oh, so good. Now, of course, if you don't have plantation pineapple, possibly it's too expensive for you as well, you can always essentially create your own. You could infuse your own rum with a little bit of pineapple. You can muddle some pineapple into the glass as well. There's obviously different ways that you can do it to replicate that flavor. And then we've got 1/4 ounce, 7.5 ml of your maraschino liqueur. Then fresh lime juice, 1/2 ounce, 15 ml. And just a little bit of simple syrup, 1/4 ounce, 7.5 ml. Then add ice to your cocktail shaker, give it a shake for 12 to 15 seconds. Good. So even though I'm adding crushed ice to the glass, I'm still going to pre-chill this. Reason being is you don't want a warm glass, otherwise it's going to dilute that crushed ice a little bit quicker. So it's always best when you're adding crushed ice to underfill the glass, because you can always top it up later. You can't do it the other way around. So strain over the top. And I'll top with a little bit more ice. And for garnish, you can do an assortment of citrus. I've got some lime, got some orange twists that I'm pretty much just going to throw on top. I've got a new jar of cherries, add a maraschino to the top. And the original recipe did call for the maraschino to be wrapped in a pineapple leaf. I don't have any pineapple, so a sprig of fresh mint, I reckon. So So there you have a pineapple rum daiquiri. Cheers. Drinking a cocktail out of a coupe glass with crushed ice is actually really difficult. You probably want to add a straw to this, but it's delicious. I think the crushed ice probably adds a little bit too much dilution. If I was to make this again, when I make this again, I'll definitely put it in a coupe without the crushed ice. I think the maraschino, it does have a strong influence, but it still doesn't overpower the drink. But it's a very, very tasty version of a daiquiri. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.